Alrighty, let's go over how to draw E.T., the extraterrestrial. I know he's not scary. He's like a friendly, character. I found him scary, though. And he is sci-fi, so I think that's what we're going to do. We're going to draw how to draw E.T. step by step. Let's get started, okay? Easy stuff. Easy stuff. I'm going to go over here, side of the brow here. Go over here on this side. Curve on the other side. These are these big old brows. Down over here. And we're gonna he has a little cheekbone over here. Down over here. Curve. Line over here. Out over here. Down. Curve. It's going to be the back of the head right there. Now we're going to pull down for this really long, elongated neck that he has. Same thing right here. It's kind of wiggling down. It's got that long, elongated neck. Gonna pull a line over here for the top of the head. Curve down over here, curve over here, curve over here, down, down. So it's kind of, again, that brow, he's got a very big brow, pretty big brow. It's funny because it was meant to be designed to be very friendly. Curve underneath, under here. Far side eye, curve here. Let's go here for the nose. Curve. Curve. We're going to be the nostril area. Nostril area here. Don't forget, hit the like button. The channel lives entirely on likes. I really do appreciate it. We hit 40,000 subscribers lately. Really amazing landmark. I want to thank you guys. It's really hard to keep a seasonal channel, like a Halloween channel, active through the year, but you guys have done it, so thank you so much. And yeah, you guys are amazing for that. Line down here, line down here, line down here. Go over here to the mouth. Kind of that smile thing. And let's go over here to the eye. Curve. Curve. Alrighty. The rest of this is really just detail-oriented things, like curve line there. We're going to have, like, under the neck here, we're going to have, like, organic folds. I will say this. He is kind of the friendliest, or one of the more friendliest organic creatures I think I've seen. And then we're going to put bags under the eyes right there. Bags under the eyes to make it look more like his type. Top of the eye as well. Top of the eye as well. Curve here. Curve here. Line underneath the mouth. Line over here. I'm surprised they haven't made an E.T. remake. Are you surprised of that? Like, haven't they made another? I'm surprised they haven't made another E.T. movie. Like, I haven't even heard any plans for it. That's strange. I think they should. I like when they bring back stuff to a new generation. I know people don't like remakes, but I mean, they say they don't like remakes, but they make money. Dot over here for the center. That's the pupil here. Line over here. Line over here. Line. Line. See, the rest of this is just little tiny tweaks, that make him look a little bit more like him. Curve line here. And yeah, maybe I'll do an illustration of him, honestly. I'll think about doing that. If you want to see my daily drawings, I have daily drawings Go to the bottom of the page on sketchingeasy.com. I have daily drawings that I draw for warm-up. I draw every single day for a warm-up, and then I start my activity for the day, or my drawing project. But if you want to see those warm-ups, go check that out. I post them daily over on sketchingeasy.com. You're going to scroll to the bottom and see a section that says Daily Sketches. All right. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. I will see you next time. That was E.T., the extraterrestrial, and I will see you soon. All right. Later.
Hey, for those of you that are a little bit more serious and you really want to kind of upgrade your art skill all around, I have these beginner art lessons here on my Skillshare. So the idea with this is that some people that, for example, on YouTube, people just kind of want to draw what's in the video and just generally have a fun time. They're not always concerned about the little details and stuff about learning how to do this stuff, long term. And I get that. That's fun. But for some people want to upgrade their art ability entirely, like all around, like they're serious about it. If that's you, go here. Like I said, there's programs here on even some of the same material. Like I said, it's just a lot more in depth. My eye drawing program is an hour as opposed to the video I have on YouTube, which is like 10 minutes, right? You can still learn from both, but like I said, if you really want more and you really want to make this part of your life, go here. I have same thing over here, how to draw a dragon head. I have anime, I have cartoons. There's categories for everything, and everything is for beginners. The other thing about this website is it's incredibly easy to watch it. This is like the Netflix of like drawing lessons. So you can go through the entire site, see everybody else's lessons. And normally the site costs like 30 to 40 bucks a month. Because you're watching this video right now, if you're still watching right now, you get it for free for at least a month. Like 30 days, that's a lot. But just what you have to do is go over here to the video, go down, first link in the description, the very, very first link. That gives you free access to this whole thing for 30 days. You just go over here, you click this thing, boom, and then you sign up. And it's super easy. And the cool part is you can just straight up cancel it before the 30 days is up. And you never pay a single thing. You never pay a cent. And you got all this learning from it. But yeah, like I said, that's an option for you guys. If you guys want to do it, absolutely go hit that up. And that's it.